Hello my beautiful people, how are you doing? Hoping that you are well. Welcome and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel of mine. On today's video we are out. We are going out, guys, so stay tuned and let's enjoy the video. One of the things which I do enjoy while I'm here is that moment of going out with my family. I always enjoy so much. So here we are just heading to the beach so that we can just get some fresh air, then we'll come back home. So keep enjoying, guys. The fact that they don't leave me inside the house, they always go out with me. That is something which I always love so much about them. Anywhere they go, they always go with me. Guys, it's very cold. It's too windy, so I don't even know if maybe you can hear me. Today it's my last day here, so just stay tuned. Let's spend the day together and see how everything will go. Before I fly to Kuwait. So spend the day with me, guys. So I've just come here to take the kids to the playground, but very cold, so let's see how it goes. Let me take you around and see how this place is beautiful, even though the wind is too much, but it's a good place. It's a very good place to be. I'm still looking after the kids, so let me just check on them and have a good time. I think I've had enough day, a very good day. So right now, maybe anytime from now, we'll be going back home.